Third places are getting harder and harder to find, especially as we get older and more particular with how we spend our time. Over the last couple of years, I found a chill bunch of car enthusiasts at a meet that my wife and I frequent, and I think it's safe to say that we've become regulars. And honestly, being a regular has been pretty cool. People come say hi, they notice changes or upgrades, our cars even get posted as the meeting flyer sometimes, and we get to learn a lot more about these people than just the car they drive, and that's what the car community is all about. So if you're tired of seeing the same stuff every meet, I encourage you to take that opportunity to learn more about the people behind the cars, because that experience might be a little different or even more fulfilling than you would expect. My friends Austin and Hannah went to Road America out in Wisconsin. They got me a shirt. It's a cool shirt, thank you. I like it a lot. Anyways, today, as you can see, we are taking both of our cars. Dang is preparing to take the Veloster in, and I should probably have started the Z by now and gotten it warmed up, but I haven't yet. But I'll be taking the Z. It's been probably like a month since we've done any local car show, car meet stuff together, so yeah, we're gonna go head to our local show. It is very hot out today. It's like 95 degrees. It's been like 100 degrees all week. We tried to go to this Gundam thing this week. I didn't walk away with a Gundam. We got into that lately, but yeah. I'm gonna start my car. We're gonna go to this show together. We're gonna see some nice cars, hopefully. And see some familiar faces and local friends. And see you guys there and take you guys along. So, hope you guys enjoy. Parked at the end here. We have a pretty good amount of cars now, but let's do a little walk through and see what we got. This is one of those Abarth things.
Abarth Spider.
Abarth Spider.
They're really cool.
I don't think I've ever seen one up close. It's manual. A 124 Spider. Civic Type R. I think they've been building it, yeah. Maybe Civic Type R. Hey, how's it going?
Doing alright, man?
Doing good. How are you?
Doing
How's it going? How are you?
We got the Jujutsu Kaisen Itasha on the SN95. This is pretty sick. What was that? Is this yours? Yeah. Oh, I love your Itasha, by the way.
Sorry, I'm not trying to mess with the video.
Oh, you're good. Yeah, do whatever you gotta do. I always wanted one, honestly.
New Edge?
What was that?
Like a New Age or Natasha?
And Natasha.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'd probably get like a Mariah
How did you
Nikki
go about
one.
it? Did you commission someone to do it? And
No,
then-
no, I did it myself.
You did it?
Yeah, I didn't do like the scaling or
Wow.
anything because there's a bunch more than just the drawing to
Okay.
it. But I have a friend that works over at this place called Shell Shock Wraps in Wiley. His name's Josh. He does this for a living.
Is that the
He's
guy that
super
does
dope.
like the Junko guy too?
Yes.
Yeah.
He's
Okay.
The, yeah, he does the same
okay.
people.
Despair box.
Yes.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
actually, him and Gunner usually come up here. He's the guy with the
Okay.
Demon Slayer.
Yeah, that's
symbol
cool.
back.
Okay.
That was pretty
Yeah.
sick. But
When-
no, I went and just
Yeah.
drew everything out, sent it off to him. He went and scaled it.
No
So
way.
you drew that?
Yeah.
You are so talented. Holy crap.
That's awesome.
That looks incredible.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's really good.
All those years of art in high school kind of paid off on me.
Yeah.
I love your touch at the bottom with all the animation studios and stuff. I don't
That's
usually
really
see
sick.
people do that. It's
Yeah.
so cool.
I wanted to add it and make
Yeah.
it look more like, I guess, JDM, like Rallycross almost, like how they do
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
all the different like logos.
I love
and
it.
brands and everything.
Yeah, that's
It
really.
looks
I
incredible.
love it. You know what surprises me is the amount of people that, like when you say it, Itasha, they don't actually know what that is. And I'm like, aren't you a weeb and a car guy?
Shouldn't you know?
Yeah.
It's like,
It's
in
like,
all
oh,
the
yeah.
biggest, any of the Japanese franchises.
Yeah.
Means like a car, right? Something like
I don't know, but I mean, it would be true.
Yeah.
See, I like Natasha's on cars, but you know what I like them better on? Bikes.
They are really cool
Yeah.
on bikes. I'll see you guys around though. Thank you. Yeah, I love the Itasha. I just wanted to compliment. I wanted to find you and tell you I loved it. So, yeah.
That is so cool.
Yeah, it's nice. Talented.
Super.
GT 350 Mustang. Got us. We have stars matching right here. We have a truck.
What's this?
It says "Turn Me On the front. And then the Supra. We met this guy.
And then our last Toshi video.
Yoshi. He's got a Labubu hanging out. He's got the Labubu mod.
That's because that's what I had around. When he bought it, he told me about the
SI.
Right, dude. That's all about.
This Type R is so nice.
I love those orange.
You did anything to your Z?
Nothing yet. No- Focus.
It's like a
With
color
wheels.
shift going on.
Oh yeah, a
Same
little
as
bit.
with the badge.
I like that wheel color.
I like the wheel color too. I love a bold wheel color.
It's like my shift knob on orange. I would mix it with orange, but it would look a little crazy. But it would good. It would be all right. It would be all right.
It's clean though. I like it. I personally, I got nitrous on mine. So, yeah, I just put in a full plate kit and everything about maybe 6 months ago or so. Yeah, come check it out.
Oh, look at somebody else.
Back on the road. He's out of commission for a couple months.
Oh, really?
I think so. That looks new.
They labeled it as a ground back special. Looks good everywhere else, but still.
I love this coolant overflow reservoir.
I
This
didn't
coolant
realize it was
reservoir.
so good.
What was that?
I didn't realize it was so good.
Yeah. What up? How's it going today?
Wow.
Yeah. I got rollers of you still.
Oh, really?
From that one time, like a show a month ago, maybe 2 months ago.
Okay.
Out in Rowlett. I gotta get your Instagram so I can send them to you.
Yeah, bro.
I was in like the Veloster N, I think. Using rollers on the street a while ago.
Oh, yeah, I can give it to you.
Yeah. I was like, man, I don't want to lose these videos before I send them to him. So,
I appreciate it.
yeah, of
man.
course.
That was amazing.
what was your Instagram?
It's called
Capture the image. Okay, appreciate you. Thank you, man. It's nice to see you, by the way.
Yeah, nice to see you too, man. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I'll send them over. You don't gotta credit me or anything. Just take them. Take them before I delete them.
Okay, yeah, bro. I really appreciate that.
I'll see you, man. My name's Matt, by the way.
My name is Jackie.
Jackie, nice
Yes,
to meet
sir.
you,
Nice
man.
to
I'll see you
meet
around.
man. Y'all have a good day.
You too.
I sat in that. Sick.
Nothing.
What?
I wish I could have pulled it out. I looked around. I was like, wait, where did you go? I was looking at something else, but I couldn't see you at all.
This thing looks angry. It looks so nice.
White, yeah. That's why I'm wearing it.
Sick. Look at
We
this thing.
could ride over there down to like Fireville area.
I love to look at bikes.
I know, I have no idea what I'm looking at, but I'm like, I love looking at bikes. This is a GTO. Look at this thing.
Well, when I dropped the keys, there's no some metal shit. I was like, where can you? She's
The amount of carbon fiber on this queue is sick.
Look at the paint color under the sunlight.
Huh? Really?
Right over here.
Whoa.
Come on.
That is really sparkly.
That's beautiful, yeah, when the sun hits it.
Damn. Whose is this?
I have no idea.
It's freaking nice. Carbon fiber, hood, fenders, carbon fiber, even the spot between the front bumper and the front and the hood, quarter panels, carbon fiber doors, mirror caps, or just carbon fiber mirrors. Maybe.
Probably.
No, maybe those are caps. But yeah,
Either way, I believe it.
carbon fiber roof.
Wow.
Yeah, wow. Everything.
This is the guy that
I used to want a. Oh.
right there. So in case you see him,
Okay.
sorry, it's not a great photo. I just got
Okay.
it while he
Okay.
got
All
up.
right.
Yeah.
Cool. Tiburon. Hell yeah. I'd still own a Tiburon today. So cool. I don't care if they're slow. They're so cool.
One of my buddies in college had
Oh,
one.
manual sick. It's got a manual in it too. One of your buddies in college?
One of my buddies in college had one, but his was not manual, it was automatic. He did let me drive it once, and that was pretty neat.
Tiburon.
Way back in the today.
I would own a Tiburon still.
They're cool.
They're so cool. RC200T. It's in the middle of a body job. Wide body though, looks really nice so far. It's coming together. He's gonna paint it green. Alright, and that is the show. That's pretty much everybody. We've seen it all. Oh, bye-bye. Automatic. Manual, yeah. I want a Tiburon.
I know, they're so cool. Imagine
dude
having a
felt
Tiburon and a Veloster.
He felt so weird about me gassing up his Tiburon,
it's
but I'm like, man, I want a
awesome.
fucking
Like,
Tiburon so
I
bad.
like the way he's planning on building it too. I love it when people have a
Okay, guys, that was the end. It's nighttime. It actually feels good outside now, but
feels very pleasant.
yeah, we're back at our cars. We got a chill time. Talked to a lot of people. A lot of people said hi. Like, I feel like I'm a regular. I feel like people know me now. I don't know. It's a very interesting feeling to be like to show up and for people to say hi all of a sudden. So had a lot of fun conversations, and now it seems like everyone's rolling out and being loud. So let's get that quick. Look at this Nismo Z. Oh, got all these people leaving.
Oh, look at that.
That is a steep. All right.
Which end?
That is the end. I think that one over there is not too bad. We'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next vlog. Peace out.
Now we're in traffic? Not sure. There's some debris over here. Looks like a squishmallow and some boards. Okay, so that was a slowdown. It wasn't anything too bad. Thankfully, it looked like everybody was okay. We're not too far from home, but I want to make it known I've got zero clue how Matt is able to shift and film at the same time. That was so tough.
We are back home. Dang just told me she tried to hold the camera and drive at the same time. I've never done that before. Obviously, you guys have never seen me do that before. But she said it was hard, so here we are. We're home. We made it in one piece. Can't go anywhere without getting stopped in traffic, which we did. Get stopped in dead stop traffic for a little bit, but we're home. And yeah, cool. So see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. Bye.